Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Orange Tabby in Grow Garden game of Roblox new smithing update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the smithing update, you will need this Orange Tabby to craft Cheetah. As you can see, we need Orange Tabby, Legendary Coal, and also Shackles. And maybe some of you still do not know how to get this Orange Tabby. If you want to get this pet, you need to have rare egg. Wait, you can go to the egg shop and you're going to buy the rare egg from here. Wait. Okay, you can buy the rare egg and you will have 33% possibility to get this Orange Tabby. And after that, you can use the Orange Tabby to craft Cheetah. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Orange Tabby pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!